Today we're going to take some notes. Most of it's going to be review from biology, but it'll form the basis of our class, which is environmental science, which is similar to our biology ecology unit. All right, so environmental science defined. Environmental science is an interdisciplinary field, meaning it uses many of the disciplines that are listed right here, that includes scientific and social aspects of the human impact on the world. So we're looking at things from a variety of perspectives, not just science, but how does that impact society? How does society impact the environment? And you can see that it plays a role in a lot of things. Sorry, my dog is carrying a rather large bone around, so she's going to distract us a little bit, or distract me. All right, ecology is the study of interactions of an organism with one another and with their environment. So organisms interacting with each other, also interacting with the environment. Ecology is the foundation to environmental science, so interactions is going to be the theme that we see this year. All right, an environment is defined as the total of our surroundings. So what makes up a forest environment? We have trees, animals of various kinds, right? Rocks, yay! Water, all kinds of things. What makes up a marine environment? Marine are specifically saltwater. So we have fish of various kinds. We have some large mammals. All right, and then a personal environment is going to be like your house, the area outside your house, things like that. Oh, we can't forget the atmosphere. That takes place in all of those. All right, so parts of the environment. We have biotic factors and abiotic factors. If you remember from biology, bio means life. So biotic factors are the living factors. So those are going to be the organisms. I don't know why my pen keeps doing this. Animals. Oh, baby Sheba. And King. It's not King that's making all the noise, by the way, it's Shelly. All right, plants, fungi. All right, abiotic factors. This is going to be non-living, never possessed life, rocks, water, clouds, sunlight. Definitely write some examples down. The examples are really what illustrates the ideas. All right, normally this is more interactive, so I feel very one way, and it looks like I forgot to erase it. So your sunlight is your abiotic, your clouds, your sky, water in general. Biotic is going to be all the living things. So like the fish is biotic, the turtle is biotic, the producers, the phytoplankton are biotic. That was a bird, that's biotic. Sediments down here are abiotic, soil and things like that. Well, actually, soil has living things in it. If we're speaking specifically about rocks, it's abiotic. All right, so we're going to define the following terms using the pictures. So I like to start from the bottom up, the bottom being an organism, which is just one living thing. Okay, the next level up from organism is population. So that's many organisms in one location. All right, and then we go to community, which is multiple populations. All right, and that's also in the same area. An ecosystem is a community. And if you look in the picture, we now have rain and things like that, plus abiotic factors. And then the biosphere is all, ooh, that's not how you spell all the ecosystems together. So basically all of the earth is considered the biosphere. All right, and here's another picture of it, and we also have some things going down. So in biology, we focused a lot on that part, the cellular, molecular part. So in environmental science, much of our learning will take place up here. Whoop. All right, some food relationships in nature. Again, review. Producers, also referred to as autotrophs. They make their own food. For example, yes, that's right, plants. They're at the beginning of the food chain. Consumers, also called heterotrophs, must consume to get energy. And there's a bunch of different classifications of consumers. Decomposers recycle nutrients in an environment. So example here, earthworms, fungi, so on and so forth. All right, so different types of consumers. Herbivores, right here, they eat vegetables, plants. Okay, carnivores eat, I'm going to put meat in parentheses, flesh, because spiders are still considered carnivores, even though you probably wouldn't consider a fly as meat. All right, omnivores eat both plant and meat, much like us. All right, a food chain is a one-way path of eating / energy transfer. Okay, the most important thing about a food chain is the direction of the arrows. The arrows go in the direction, point to who is getting the energy. So the herbivore gets the energy from the plant. The carnivore gets the energy from the herbivore. And then on up the food chain. All right, a food web is multiple interconnected food chains. So this is realistically what happens in the environment. So there's a lot of interactions, lots of different things eat the same thing. Shelly's being bad.